You got Chad Ham with Akins and Willies taking care of customers as always, and Chad took care of the Mays family as well on this beautiful Akins Ford Bronco Wildtrak Sasquatch 22 model Oxford white. Now it is a Apex edition, essentially because it already had a 2-inch lid from the factory via the Sasquatch package, but we installed a ready lift 1.5-inch level kit up front just to get us more clearance. And yes, that's right, 37, 12 and a half, 20, 12 open country mud terrain tire. So a super aggressive mud terrain tire on the Sasquatch package that runs 35s from the factory, but good informational video for you all, because with just a level kit up front alone, you can level it out, has a nice aesthetic appeal to it. And now we're on 37s as well. Man, the 37s just look so much more mature and bold and prominent. Love this stance. And also take note of the painted Sasquatch fender flares. So the Sasquatch flares are about 2 inches wider overall than the factory flares, so took those and did Oxford white as well. And the grill on the Wildtrak already comes gloss black, so kept that the way it sits. But up here on the 22 model, this is now a textured black, non-premium, so did white on that, even the connecting piece on the inside part here. So when you're in the vehicle, you're seeing premium painted parts instead of textured non-premium. And then rigid D-series lights in white as well to match with the zeros bracket. That zeros bracket is very low profile. I love the way that looks. And a good notorious Wildtrak Sasquatch. Yes, sir. Also, on the 22 models, the side door handles are textured black as well, so did Oxford white on that. And check out the Infab steps. Let me know what you think about the Infab side step bars in Oxford white as well. It hits in a totally different manner. I think it has a nice vibe to it overall. And also with High On Lumens, our great painter did a phenomenal job with a little nice touch right there. The fuel and F on the center cap done up in white to match. It's all about the details. And this Wildtrak Sasquatch right here at Akins has got it, y'all. On the inside, you see a nice two-tone leather combination. You got the black and the tan with the blue stitching for a great little contrast. And the best startup in the business is right there on the big 12-inch touchscreen. You can see more blue hues and accents throughout. Very nice subtleties you can find everywhere in the Ford Bronco. The Bronco's been a great addition to the Ford lineup. All its amenities and features, and how great this vehicle drives. My favorite shot is right here, that side shot showing those 37s looking full and mature on this build here. Great ride quality in the Bilstein coilovers, front and rear. Little level kit action to make it happen. 37 MT mud terrains from Toyo, and then the Morimoto triple fog kit there, LEDs from Morimoto. Morimoto's coming strong in the LED light game, so stay tuned for more of that. So we've got rigid and Morimoto and ready lift and Toyo and fuel and Infab all over this bad boy, and custom paint to go along with it. Another diamond right here at Akins and Willies, y'all. Again, thanks so much. Check us out, willisaccessories.com, akinsford.com. You know, check me out, Real Deal Neal 07, Real Deal anything auto. I love to be your guy in the automotive industry. Put a smile on your face, keep you positive and centered, and looking great at all of our vehicles on the daily, y'all. Peace out.